Come test drive the 2015 200. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, front knee, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, power steering. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. Come see the car for yourself.